at all. Let's have Will tell us if the market.
You don't have to ask if the market has enough energy.
Looks like the market has a lot of energy.
That's oxygen to last you the whole week and take you through next week.
Oh my, there she goes again.
So that's 0.95%. That's nearly
almost
1%.
That's really impressive.
That's very impressive yesterday.
Don't tell me it's TransCore again.
Well, TransCore, Airtel did this thing yesterday.
Yeah.
Airtel, MTN,
that's the most capitalized,
in the market. And TransCore, you trust the volume and the
TransCore
value that
still
went
in the drive.
Yeah. They're going on a roll there. Nothing is stopping them.
Investor sentiment will stop them. Profit taking will stop them.
Profit taking? Yeah. Well, maybe not so soon. So we saw investors sustaining bullish sentiment in the market yesterday, 0.95%, up nearly 1% in yesterday's trading session. Buy interest in Airtel Africa, MTN Nigeria drove the index back to the 52,000 level, and the market cap is a 28 trillion naira mark, and the nearly 1% gain. Definitely we'll be expecting a moderation in the month to date and the year to date returns, which month to date is still negative 3.9%, and year to date is now back to 1.7%. Now, total volume traded yesterday increased phenomenally by 209% to 6.48 billion naira, valued at 19.47 billion naira. Now, TransCore drove the value and the volume we saw in yesterday's trading session. Now, deals was at 5,109. Looking at the sectors, we did see banking and oil and gas in the red yesterday. Access Bank and Fidelity contributed to that downtrend there. Consumer goods, 0.61%. Industrial up, insurance up, and market breadth yesterday was very wide. We saw 40 gainers compared to 7 losers. The market breadth, that's very, very positive sentiment. But we're going to be talking to Ambrose Omordion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, to give us more insights and more background as to if this bullish trend will be sustained. Good morning, Ambrose. It's good to have you on the program.
Thanks for having me.
Ambrose, you are a TA person, that's a technical analysis person. Market has remained bullish for 2 days now. What direction do you see the market heading right now?
I would say that the energy in the market is very, very high as we speak now. Also considering that the volume speak a lot of important direction for the market. When you see volume in the market, it tells you that there is kind of momentum that is behind the market. And that is a good news for Nigeria market, that the high cap stocks also are not looking up. These are to support the volume that's coming from Access Bank, coming from TransCore, as you mentioned earlier in your intro. Tells you that investors are in for gain. And there are factors behind this movement in the market. I'll tell you that one of the major factors is that the tension between the interest and the yield market. We saw what happened yesterday, that at the primary market option for Treasury bill, we saw a decline from 14.7 to 10.7. This is also a driver for the market. And at the same time, this week we're also expecting that the bond maturity for the month of April will also release about 535 billion to the market, coupled with payments coming from what for this Nigeria company paying dividend to their shareholder. These funds that come from shareholders are going back to market, any form of investment in that company that will pay the dividend, or a lower stock that look attractive. These are the factors, because anywhere in the world, liquidity is key, corporate performance is also key. Now that we're seeing that the Q1 number that hit the market so far beat market expectation, despite the contraction we saw in the month of February and of March, that this sector is what investors are looking at. Now that we're seeing positive earnings, I know at the beginning we were saying that we was expect to see a mixed performance in terms of Q1. Yes, that will happen, but there are some sectors that they have shown strength where they are going in terms of performance. And don't forget that 3 months account is just management account. That investors or traders in the market should not be carried away with these numbers that are coming, because these numbers are just to tell you how they have performed for the past 3 months of the year. And you, as an investor, look at what is behind these numbers. Some companies have not reduced their tax payment to boost their bottom line, which is the profit after tax. Some are factoring in a higher tax payment for the quarter to reduce that. Then, as an investor or trader, look at this number first, because anytime, any day, for you to be a successful investor, you must compare with what your technical and your fundamental. Now that we take a belief on what on sentiment, and the sentiment is what's driving the market, and that comes with volume, and the volume is looking better and better and good for us as technicians that market is going somewhere. But one thing is very, very key, that as a trader or investor, don't be carried away with an up market. Up market will come, know how to take your profit. Because many people invest in stock, but they don't know how to take profit. Now that we're seeing the book, you saw the part of transport assets, take the market to this level, learn to take profit, don't be carried away with that up market. This is just first quarter number, and there's no dividend coming with it, just to guide you to how to invest for the beginning of the financial year that we're in, so that you know exactly where to pick your chance ahead of what more subsequent quarterly results.
Okay, thank you so much. So we shouldn't be carried away. We should know when to enter and exit the market. Uptrend will not stay there forever. And you did predict earlier in the year that we will have a mixed performance for the consumer goods, and we'll probably begin to see that. Thank you so much, Ambrose Omodion.